Sin City was amazing.
Hey Miss. My name is Adam bin Musa and my matrix number is DTB2508496.
My name is Muhammad Adib M. Daraza and my numbermetry is ITD12003-Project.
And my name is Muhammad Fikri bin Shamsul Adha and my numbermetry is DTB250085279.
My name is Ahmad Naufal bin Zahari and my matrix number is DTB25085050.
Together we are Group 12 and today we would like to present our case study on global warming issues. This presentation will explain the causes and impacts global warming has on our planet Earth. We will then present to you the solutions that IT can provide to help aid in the fight against climate change. After all has been said and done with, we will then showcase the feedback that we have gotten from our focus group. Before we begin, we must understand what is global warming. Global warming, by its textbook definition, is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system observed since the pre-industrial period. It is a critical issue that is driven primarily by human activities, particularly by the burning of fossil fuels. This activity, and others like it, has led to a significant increase in atmospheric greenhouse gas concentrations, which trap heat and can cause the planet's average temperature to rise exponentially. The causes of global warming are, but not limited to, deforestation and land use change, greenhouse gas emissions, industrial activities and fossil fuel burning, and urbanization and overconsumption. The main reason why deforestation occurs is due to agricultural and construction activities. Unfortunately, when a tree is cut down, the carbon it stores is then released as a result. We also have to take into consideration that because of forests' natural ability to store carbon, cutting them down would limit nature's ability to keep emissions out of the atmosphere. Secondly, greenhouse gas emissions like CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide cause the greenhouse effect that increases the Earth's average temperature. We also cannot forget that urbanization and fossil fuel burning are huge contributors to global warming. Studies have shown that urban activities account for 80% of anthropogenic carbon dioxide emissions. Also, fossil fuels, when burned, release greenhouse gases that increase the Earth's average temperature.
Here we go on to the impact of global warming. First and foremost, the melting of glaciers due to rising global temperature is causing sea level to rise. This threatens coastal areas, submerges small islands, and force communities to relocate. Secondly, climate change has direct impact on human life. Natural disaster, increased recovery costs, damage infrastructure, reduce opportunities, and worsen poverty level in many regions. After that, shift in temperature and extreme weather disrupt natural habitat, and many animal plant species face extinction as they struggle to adapt to rapid environmental change. After that, increasing global temperature lead to prolonged heatwave. This event affected human health, reduced agricultural periods, and raised the risk of wildfires. Last but not least, climate change contributes to more frequent and intensive storms, flood, and drought. This extreme event poses risk to human safety, water resources, and food production.
My part, I will talk about solutions to reduce global warming with IT. First, we can adopt renewable energy by switching from fossil fuels to clean sources like solar, wind, and hydro. Second, IT helps with remote sensing and data analysis for climate monitoring and disaster management. Third, green computing practice help reduce energy use, carbon emissions, and electronic waste. Lastly, smart grids allow better energy management and less wastage. In short, IT gives us many ways to fight global warming and build a sustainable future. Thank you.
Now we move on to the feedback we have received from our focus group. The first question is, do you agree that rising global temperatures are mainly caused by human activities? 100% of people agree that global warming is caused by humans. This is because human activities significantly contribute to the greenhouse effect, where gases trap heat in Earth's atmosphere. The second one is, which of the following is a major effect of rising global temperatures? The largest part of this chart agree that melting glaciers, increasing rainfall pattern, and rising sea level is a major effect of rising global temperature. After that, the question we asked was, which sector contributes the most to the greenhouse gas emissions? 36.4% people believe the industrial sector are the biggest sources of greenhouse gases. Next, others think that all sectors are equally responsible. The next question we asked was, do you think digitalization using online platforms instead of paper can help reduce global warming? 63.6% say partly. These respondents think the impact depends on how the electricity is generated. If it's from renewable sources, digitalization can be beneficial. The last question we asked was, what is the best way to use IT to aid in the effort of stopping global warming? 45.5% choose all of the above. These respondents believe a combination of renewable energy management, smart monitoring, and energy efficient systems is the most effective approach. In conclusion, global warming presents a complex and multifaceted challenge with far-reaching consequences for the planet. However, as we have seen and proven in this presentation, information technology is not just a tool for communication and entertainment. It is a vital tool in the fight against climate change.
We have been Group 12. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.